Let's make jerk chicken gyros. So now we're getting ready to season our chicken for our jerk gyros. Yes, did I say that? I did not stutter. We mixing Caribbean with Mediterranean today, Shay's way. So we're gonna be using the DivineKuizine Jerk rub. This is another way you can use this rub. This rub is like a seasoning to season. It's spicy, it's hot, it's flavorful. It's your dishes to another level. So I'm gonna be using that as one of my cuisine's products. And chicken tenders here that I'm gonna use, but you can use chicken top thighs, chicken breast. I have chicken tenders. So let's get ready to season. So we have some green seasoning. So we have about a tablespoon of green seasoning. Smoked paprika, seasoned pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, salt, best ingredient ever, DivineKuizine's Jerk rub. So we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons, maybe 2.5. 2.5 tablespoons of DivineKuizine's Jerk rub. A musket. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put just a little bit of olive oil in here. A little bit of olive oil. Oh, and let's not forget, if you want it a little hotter, this is optional, a Scotch bonnet pepper, but that's optional depending on your heat level because DivineKuizine's Jerk rub is hot enough. So it just depends on if you want little extra heat, then you can go ahead and put that. And then we have a little bit of thyme twigs, a bit of fresh thyme for a little bit of freshness. I'm gonna use a fork. Go ahead and just mix all these seasonings together for a good marinade. And then I'm gonna set this to the side. I mean, if you want to and you didn't want to set it to the side, but since we have some other ingredients that we're gonna be doing, you can set this to the side and just let it marinate for a little bit. I like Roman tomatoes or grape tomatoes, things of that nature. But you can use whatever tomato you like. I'm gonna cut them in half and then cut them like other way. So they kind of look like that. They're diced basically. It's time to shed some of this. Okay, so you have your diced tomatoes. So now I'm gonna take my cucumber and I'm gonna cut it in half and I'm gonna dice some of that up as well. So I'm just gonna go just cut a couple in half. So we have it all diced up, our red peppers, our cucumbers, and our tomatoes. So I'm gonna season with salt. You kind of want it salty, you know what I'm saying? Or at least I like it salty. So we're gonna put a little bit of a reasonable amount of salt. And you can always put like parsley and stuff like that for more freshness, but I'm not gonna do that. Then I'm gonna take the pepper, the seasoned pepper that I have, put a little bit of that in there, pepper. And then I use the Ken's Italian dressing with aged Romano in my salad, but you also, if you didn't want to use this, you could just use fresh lime juice. The better it tastes, you know what I'm saying? Because the flavors come together better the longer it sits. The lime, I'll put a little fresh lime in here. So Italian dressing, salt, pepper, and fresh lime. Add a bit more salt. That's what the salad looks like that we're gonna go ahead and put on the gyro. Olive oil in the pan, jalapeno and red peppers, a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, the best ingredient, DivineKuizine's sugar spice. gonna put some olive oil in the pan. There we go. I'm getting ready to chop it up, y'all. So just chop it up real. Just what the chicken looks like, all cut up. Tzatziki sauce, but I get the kite peel tzatziki sauce, which is gluten-free, it's dairy-free. They use almond milk with it, and it's yogurt, of course, but it's really good. And put it a little bit in a bowl. Fresh dill. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon. You don't need to squeeze a lot, just a little bit. Tad bit. A little bit of that. Tandoori naan bread. So this is what I'm going to use for the gyros. Take our tzatziki sauce, and we're going to spread that. Our chicken. Put some of that on top. A little bit of lettuce. Take back and you're gonna drizzle some more of your tzatziki sauce, the jerk sauce. This is another way you can use the jerk sauce. So the jerk rub is like a seasoning or a marinade, or you can use that. It's more spicy, it's more authentic, tasty. This is made with tamarind. So tamarind is a little sweeter. So this is good for like this dressing. This is good also for jerk chicken. It's just gonna be, it's still gonna have a spice to it, but it's gonna be a little sweeter with it. And so I'm gonna drizzle this as the dressing. So I'm gonna just drizzle. And there you have it. Jerk gyro. Okay, y'all, so we getting ready to review this jerk chicken gyro, whichever way you want to say it, using DivineKuizine's products. So we use the jerk sauce, we use the jerk rub, and we use DivineKuizine's sugar spice. So this is all types of ways that you can use my products or DivineKuizine's products. It was easy, so now I'm getting ready to go in for the taste. It's so saucy. You know I like sauce. It's good. Let me get one more bite. And I'm gonna tell y'all about it. Oh my god. This could be in a restaurant. Okay, Shay's restaurant. Let me wipe my mouth. Then let's go to the chicken, because it's like depths of flavors. Then the chicken is spicy, real nice flavor with the jerk rub, tender, flavorful with all the seasonings that I put in it. Then we put the peppers, the caramelized peppers, so that gave it like another taste with peppers, a little sweetness because we hit that sugar spice with it. Then we put, our salad, well, that gave it more freshness and it gave it acidity because, we had the lime juice in there and we have the, the Ken's dressing. So that gave you the acidity. Now we're going to the top with a little bit of crunch with the lettuce and then drizzled again with the tzatziki and the jerk sauce. When I'm saying 10 out of 10, chef's kiss, she did that. I'm just gonna brush off my shoulders. It was good. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. My YouTube fam, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you want to see more recipes from me, hit that notification button at Shaysfoodjourney. Love y'all.